butternut squash were so flowered up this morning. Look at that. Every one of them a male flower. But isn't that beautiful? Look at all those flowers. The bees are loving it. My first bush butternut squash coming. Yay! And I believe that was a hand pollination one. And here's another little guy. So this is exciting. I still have time for these to grow. Here's one on my regular butternut squash plant coming. Well, as you can see, it looks like I better start picking again. Look at. And these purple beans are the best. These are my favorite. And of course they turn green when you cook them. I love, next year I'm just going to go all out planting purple beans. I'm not a fan of the wax that much. And I got a lot of wax. Well, this year will be memorable for me picking beans every day. And eating beans. Here's a diet tip. I don't know if you can see me. Here's a diet tip. Eat beans every day. Big plate full. There's hardly any calories in them and they fill you up. Guaranteed to lose pounds. Don't mind my groaning and moaning. I am almost turning 62. I turned 62 on Halloween. So if you watch my videos, you'll hear some moaning and groaning, unfortunately. And when you get my age, if you're not there yet, you will understand. Can anybody ID this bug? Leave it in the comments if you know what it is. It's my little sunflower. I wanted to show you my harvest this morning. What did I get? I picked a bunch of my cucumbers for a friend so they can make cucumber salad. I picked one of my onions so that she can use that in there, which is lovely. It's the first time I've grown onions. I usually grow the green, just the little green ones. This is the first time I've grown big ones. I also picked her a banana pepper. I have a lot of banana peppers, but they just didn't look ripe yet, so I picked one anyway. Bunch of beans again every day. My beans are producing so well. It's been weeks and weeks of this much beans every day off of just a couple small rows. Got a couple more strawberries that are going to be yummy. And one tomato. I have a lot of tomatoes on my plants now, though. So what else do I have going on? Here's some tomatoes. I'm waiting to ripen. There's some there. Yeah, and here's the other exciting thing I got going on is, get over here. Look at this. It's just starting. It's kind of, the sun isn't quite in the garden yet, so I hope you can see that. But it won't be long and I'll be able to show you this baby in full bloom. Yeah, look at that beauty. This is my one that was one of the shorter variety. There's my little Mexican sunflower opening. Pretty dark looking. There's the pattern on the leaves. I don't know if that's normal or... Here's my cosmos. All white. Isn't that interesting? There's lots of buds. Lots of buds, but not much color right now.